To be a part of the Green Business Partners program, a business needs to be located in Fairfax County and have an existing business license. There are two levels of membership, a member and a leader. Freddie Mac is a Green Business Partner leader, and they are an exemplary example of what a corporation can do not only for Fairfax County and the global problem of climate change, but also how they engage their employees. For example, they've established a corporate sustainability office in 2020. They also have an organization that promotes activities and provides information to employees.
Freddie Mac provides liquidity, stability, and affordability to the housing market, and part of a core goal of ours is to ensure that we're doing that in a sustainable manner with a focus on long-term health and welfare of the community. We applied to be a Green Business Partner, one, because it's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do for our employees. It's also the right thing to do given the footprint size that we occupy in the Fairfax County. Our campus is one of the larger campuses in Fairfax County, and as an owner and occupier of that size of square footage, we need to be sensitive to the environmental impacts, and we need to provide an example.
We applied for Gold LEED certification for all 4 of our campus properties, and in that we had to submit lots of data: energy, water use, waste, practices with our pest control or green cleaning, as well as they had to come and do studies, indoor air quality studies and energy audits. It took about 8 months to complete, and a lot of people in corporate services were involved in the whole process of submitting that. We're very proud that we were able to achieve LEED Gold.
A few years ago, we were looking for some ways to use renewables into our portfolio. We had a few buildings that were under renewable energy. We now have every building that Freddie Mac owns is under renewable energy supplies. Energy efficiency has always been important to us. We have LED lighting in all the areas within the buildings and the garages. We utilize occupancy sensors to turn the lights on and off. We use outdoor light harvesting, which will adjust the lights around the windows based on the light that is coming into the building. Electricity and HVAC systems that we have are the most efficient systems that you can buy. They've all been upgraded over the last 10 years to the most innovative different ideas that we could come up with. As far as transportation goes, we have several van pool organizations that we provide the employees. EV chargers, we started in 2016 with 2 EV chargers. We now have 50 EV chargers, which has saved about 290,000 pounds of CO2 for the year 2022. We also offer bicycle racks, bicycle lockers, repair stations in most of the buildings. We have free shuttle bus services from the metro station to and from the building.
Here at Freddie Mac, our employees are so involved in sustainability. It's a key focus. And one of the groups that we have that really champions this initiative is our Green Business Resource Group, who supports these efforts. And they support these efforts by going out into our organization and gathering ideas from our employees. Some of them are engaged in their community and bring those ideas to us. And sometimes they come together and they look at what we've done and how we can enhance existing solutions to improve them moving forward. So our employees are core and central to this effort, and we're thankful for their partnership.
Freddie Mac employees are a key to our successful recycling program. Without them, we wouldn't have the volume of materials being taken out of the waste stream. For example, when they have a can of Coke or a plastic water bottle, there's depositories over here that we can recycle. In addition, when they order their food, they can request, instead of a compostable container, they can request a reusable plastic container called an Aussie box, and then deposit that when they're finished, and then that gets washed and reused. Both of those types of activities get the waste out of the landfill. We also compost our food waste, so the cafeteria staff collect that, and then it goes out to a bin that gets collected every day and turned into compost. We recycled 270 tons of recyclables in the past 2 years. In 2022 alone, we composted 145 tons of waste.
Other businesses can learn from us in the sense that, one, it's a long-term process. It's one small step at a time, and every little step makes a difference. Two, it's a partnership. We want to partner with our organizations and our fellow businesses out there in Fairfax County to share best practices and learn from their best practices. And three, once again, it's a focus for our employees.